This is Golf and Grill. We got 6 chefs working, barbecue lovers, barbecue fanatics, barbecue chefs, and we're all cooking up a storm today. We're having some fun here at the Golf and Grill, man. The Maddie Kiki. Backwards and forwards, those girls are the best.
Do you know who's who yet?
No idea. Don't need to. It's Maddie and Kiki.
He's got it.
It's all that matters.
We come as a pair anyway, so if you just say Maddie and Kiki, you're pretty much covered on.
That's it.
So these are grill roasted potatoes, and inside them there's smoked brisket, roasted garlic, cheese, onions, and what did I say? Smoked brisket? That's the most important thing.
Can't forget the smoked brisket, and then we're topping it with some full-fat sour cream. We're not using the light stuff here. We are not using the light stuff here.
You need the sour cream. You need the sour
And then
cream.
we're just gonna garnish with some nice little chives there, and voila! Golf and Grill 2022.
I miss you, Teddy.
We're coming for
The
cocktails
Kiki.
this year. Yes, we are.
The Maddie.
Yes.
The Kiki and the Maddie. So how you been?
This is scalding hot, so be careful. You can handle all the heat. Okay, and this too, Keith.
Sexy brisket.
You say if it wasn't good though?
I would tell you the
Would
truth.
you tell
Nah,
us?
but this is a great twice-baked potato with brisket and cheese.
No,
Nap
thank
time,
you.
man. Maddie and Kiki. Gotta love them. Gotta love them. I even named grills after them. For SCGs are our Weber Kamados, and we have 2 of them. But the really cool thing about them is I've named them Maddie and Kiki. So we got Maddie and Kiki going on right here. This one's Maddie and this one's Kiki. No, this one's Maddie and this one's Kiki. I never get them right, but those are the 2. They're great. And you should follow Maddie and Kiki because they're awesome girls.
That's a true story.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Haven't lost your shit lately?
No.
Good.
Well, it's been a while, but
How are you feeling?
Vertical? Dealing with children?
those are
You
the
don't
2
have those things.
No,
We don't. And are yours like teens now?
15 and 16, they know everything.
No. Hopefully they're both not going to watch it.
They will, they know, I tell them every day.
You just gotta get through those years, honestly. I
They'll
don't know how
come back to you. They'll come back to you.
Oh, they're with us all the time. They like us, actually, for some reason. We tell the kids the truth. I've never lied to my kids from the beginning. I always tell them the facts of life, and I'm direct and to the point. The same with my wife. We don't sugarcoat anything. Life is fucking hard, and it's not an easy place to be in this world. You got to think about the future. Kids need to be told the truth, right? When I was growing up, my mom was a war survivor, and we were told the truth about what life is like. And so you have to be truthful with your people, with your family, with your friends. You can't lie. There's no need for lying. Just tell the truth. They're awesome. Hey, look at them. There's Kiki. There's Maddie over there. No, the names are wrong. The names are wrong. Kiki and Maddie and Kiki. The Kiki Maddie Show. I love ya. This is a fundraiser for skin cancer. It's kind of cool. I've been involved for a few years, and it's fun. And who we're off to see now is Massimo Capra. I don't know who we're going to run into first, but we'll see what happens. Let's try not get hit by a golf ball here. Going down the hill. You get the hill? You get the hill? Oh, great. A lot of speed for a little golf cart. In the spring, the rainbow trout come up from Lake Ontario, and I take my son here, and at the beginning of the season, we'll fish for trout right here off the 10th hole at Winchester, and you'll get some beautiful lake trout coming in. It's pretty tasty. And I caught this rainbow trout. I pulled her out, cleaned it up, and I put it in the freezer. There's a dam, and there's a deep hole there. The trout come up in the spring to spawn. I go down there, and you cast one in, and we catch some fish. So, nicely away.
That's delicious. You wouldn't think anything comes out of Lake Ontario that tastes like that.
I love this golf course. I don't know who's at this booth. This looks like a bar. Ooh, oh, these guys got vodka. Let's go. Crystal Head vodka. This should be a good time. I don't know if we're gonna get anywhere else now. Are you a noof?
I sure am.
Fucking A, man.
This is the world's first vodka distilled from blue Weber agave, which is what you make tequila from. But we're the first company to take that plant and we've distilled it to such strength that it's classified as a vodka, not a tequila. So what can we get for you guys? Holy moly.
I just want a shot of everything.
What are the chances, Ted? You lay down and I'll just start pouring.
We'll have a good time all day long. My dad was born in Bonavista, so I'm a half a Newfie. My mother was a Latvian, so it's always nice when you find products that come out of Newfoundland. And so let's go. We'll start with the first.
The original?
This is the corn.
That's the corn, the flagship right there.
And this brand was created through Dan Aykroyd.
I'm Dan Aykroyd. This is an accurate glass rendering of a human skull. Why did we do this?
It was his brainchild, him and John Alexander, who's a painter, famous painter from Texas, but it was their brainchild and their idea. Yes, sir.
Right on.
I have one left over for you.
Awesome, man.
I know how much you like fish.
I love fish. I love all food, except for fucking Brussels sprouts. Don't get me started on Brussels sprouts. Hate those tiny little green golf balls. I don't know why we don't put those on the golf course, and it's whack-a-sprout.
I was gonna garnish with them, but fish on a chip.
Fish on a chip, man. I have plank trout and capers and a little
Cucumber dill sauce.
Thank you, sir. That's my buddy Big Dog Darren. You just retired, congratulations. And he loves to barbecue. So Big Dog's planking some trout on cedar boards done in the SCG. Now we're just having some fun here at the golf tournament. One last chef, we gotta find where Massimo's hiding. He's right up there. Okay, we're gonna go say hello to Massimo. Then we're gonna head back down to my booth and we're gonna have some fun. Oh! Right on, right on. How's it going?
Great.
It's Massimo Capra, man.
This is the best sandwich so far.
Really good.
Right
That's the best
on.
sandwich so far.
Damn it. Have you been to hole 3 yet?
Not yet.
Okay, well then, good. You
We'll
got
let
one
you know
more.
when we get to 3.
Yeah, that prime rib is good. I have 2 ounces of bone and the rest is all meat and fat.
Yeah, it's so good. So good. If your meat doesn't have any fat in it, there's no flavor, man. Like,
No, I mean, that's the...
right, if you look at me and Massimo, we're like deliciousness.
That's right.
You take the skinny little fuckers and they're tasteless. You know, they got nothing going on. But me, like if I was, like think Lord of the Flies, right? They're looking at me for dinner.
This is chimichurri. Powerful chimichurri. This is a coleslaw that we made by mixing muffaletta and a little mayonnaise and carrots and cabbage. And that's it. So now we'll take a slice, we'll fold it up, put it on the bun, and that's all we have to do. Balsamic glaze. There you go. So give this one to Teddy. That's for Ted.
This is the Massimo.
Yeah, this
Right
is that's a good combi, eh?
That might give your lamb a run for its money there.
It might give the lamb a run for its money, right?
Yeah, this
I got a ginger mint
come on.
chimichurri
Love
going
it.
with
Oh,
our
man,
lamb.
that's freaking good.
Yeah, this is great. Yeah, there's a bit of heat on that chimichurri.
Yeah. Oh, fucking clean your guts that one, man. That would clean your guts.
That's the chilies.
Yeah. No, but it's beautiful, man. Any thicker because otherwise after it becomes too tough to eat,
Yeah.
you know what I mean,
Yeah.
no matter what.
Or thinner, it'll just rip apart.
No, and that was like I said to the guys, we're doing the lamb legs. I said you got to carve it paper thin. It's going to be medium rare. It's
Yeah,
got to be
yeah,
super thin so that it's going to be tender enough,
Yeah,
right?
we just barely put it on and flip it and take it off and that's it.
What's up?
How's it going?
It's going great, except for this cauldron. It's hard with the tongs, eh?
You'll survive.
I'm fine. We must be close to almost done, eh?
I don't think there's more than 120 golf. Mike Weir beer, rock and roll. Something about beer and a golf course, it's like they're meant to be together. And then you add a little bit in a barbecue, and grill, and you get all this tastiness going on. Beautiful course, a beautiful day. Beer delivered to your cart from the Weir dude. It's awesome, it's awesome. Thank you so much. All right, you got one, Joel, one for you, one for me. Yeah. What's he doing? He's just driving around the golf course drinking and having a good day, eh? I think that's what it is, eh? Welcome to Canada. So we've been driving around the course today, and I want to introduce you to Fallon Katz. She heads up this whole Golf and Grill golf tournament and Melanoma Canada. What is the purpose of this tournament and Melanoma Network and Melanoma Canada? What do they do?
I'm Fallon Katz, I'm the Executive Director of Melanoma Canada. Melanoma is one of few cancers on the rise in Canada. It's one of few cancers that can be prevented. 85% are caused by the sun's UV rays. By wearing sunscreen, covering up, we can curb the rising trend and save lives. We're here in memory of Sean Fott, whom we lost 5 years ago at the young age of 34 after his battle to melanoma. I created the Golf and Grill event with Chef Ted Reeder here because we love food, we love golf, and hopefully we can raise some great awareness and some great funds and save lives. That's why we're here.
Thank you. Awesome. See, that's what it's all about. Keeping things tasty and making your life safe. Cheers.